This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at natural gas. So we have a continuation of the retracement today in natural gas with it hitting a low of 299 before bouncing, and it's on track to complete a relatively narrow range day compared to the last 4 days, and a potential doji showing indecision that sometimes comes before a reversal. Now, certainly there's not a clear good reversal setup. However, we will see signs of strength if we rise above today's high of 308, and maybe it keeps going at that point. We then have overhead resistance around 318 with the 200 period exponential. So until natural gas gets above, assuming it doesn't go lower, until it gets above the 200, it's probably not going to do too much because it really needs to get above there. It failed to hold as support once and twice. Maybe it doesn't get above there, so we'll have to wait and see. As far as the support zone goes, it's at the 78.6% fib with this uptrend line and the 50-period exponential moving average, which you can see has now become skewed as we've come down. It has now moved over. So this has now become a relatively larger support zone. Nevertheless, it really depends on what happens next. If we break today's low, 299, we're probably going down to 290, and maybe even lower down to this 286 zone before support is found. At that point, we have clearly broken this uptrend, this beginning accelerated uptrend. At this point, it still can be saved if we have a rally off this low. But if not, then this angle of ascent is going to become changed, and the value of the 50-period exponential, which had some value after it became support here, which tested as support. You see here we were not trending, so price was going back and forth above it. Here we gapped strongly above. It came down, had a clear test, it held the support, rallied strongly. We should see a clear hold of support here again. So far, we're not seeing that, but that's what we're watching for. That is it for natural gas. Traders, have a great weekend.